The sleeping pit bulls. That's Beezy. That's Fat Dog Cinco. Fun fact about pit bulls. Maybe can read your emotions and respond to them too. They can tell when you're happy. They can tell when you're sad, upset, or mad. Another fun fact about pit bulls is that they really love being around the people they love. Right, Beezy? Beezy, I'm calling him genius. This dog, this guy right here, he's different. I've had a lot of dogs, got a lot of dogs, but he's a real intelligent dog. He be doing stuff all the time that has me like, yo. I call him escape artist too because he be getting that Fat Dog Cinco. Reject dog, Fat Dog. He my love of my life. All the more. That's Beezy the genius. Love your pit bull, Grizz Dogs.